Hello everyone, welcome to a special unboxing at Art Whisper 88. Now this is a package of paper. This is new paper that I ordered from Blick Art Supplies. The website is dickblick.com. I will leave the link in the description box below. And this is a box of, I believe it is Stonehenge paper. Just see the packing slip here. It is Legion Stonehenge paper, white, 22 by 30, and it's 90 pound. It's 25 pieces, and the unit price is $3.63, which I think is a very reasonable price for high quality printmaking paper. So let me show you the contents of the box. Now I had previously taken off the plastic wrap because it was wrapped very tightly in plastic, and I wanted to show you the product right away. I don't know if you can see this on camera, but it has a decal. This is a deckled edge on the left side, and another deckled edge on the other side. So this is highly prized by printmakers. This is true of handmade papers and mold-made papers. And this has a plate finish, meaning it's a very smooth. It doesn't have any kind of roughness on it. So I apologize, my camera has trouble focusing because it has no recognizable details. It's just a white sheet of paper. But this is 25 sheets, and this should last me for a while. I can't wait to try it again. I have used this before, but I have been using Blick watercolor paper so far. So my next video I'll be using Stonehenge. So thank you for watching and subscribing, and I will see you next time.